Data annotation, huh? It sounds a bit dry at first, doesn't it? But let me tell you, it's one of those hidden gems in the data science world that can open up a whole new realm of opportunities, especially if you're diving into machine learning and AI. So let's break it down, shall we? First off, what is data annotation? In simple terms, it's the process of labeling or tagging data, think text, images, videos, or audio, so that machine learning models can actually make sense of it. It's like teaching a child to recognize a dog by showing them pictures and saying, "This is a dog." There are different types of annotation, too. With images, you might be drawing bounding boxes around objects, segmenting parts of the image, or detecting specific items. When it comes to text, you could be diving into sentiment analysis, identifying named entities, or tagging parts of speech. And don't even get me started on audio and video annotations. Those involve transcribing sounds, identifying speakers, tracking objects, and even recognizing actions. It's a whole universe of data waiting to be explored. Now, once you've wrapped your head around what data annotation is, it's time to get your hands dirty with some tools. There are some fantastic annotation tools out there. For instance, Labelbox is great for handling images, videos, and texts, while Superfacili focuses on image annotation with deep learning features. Prodigy is a go-to for text annotation, especially if you're into natural language processing. And if you're looking to annotate images or videos, VOTT is a solid choice. The best part? Many of these tools offer free versions or trials, so you can practice without breaking the bank. Speaking of practice, let's talk about online courses and tutorials. Platforms like DataCamp and Coursera have a treasure trove of courses on data annotation and supervised learning. If you're on a budget, Udemy is your friend, offering affordable courses that cover various data labeling techniques. And don't overlook Kaggle. They have micro-courses that touch on data preparation and annotation practices. This is where you can really build your skills and confidence. But here's the kicker. Practice makes perfect. Start small with datasets from platforms like Kaggle or the UCI Machine Learning Repository. Annotate data yourself or jump into open-source projects to get real-world experience. The key is to focus on creating high-quality, consistent annotations. Trust me, the accuracy of your annotations will directly impact the performance of the machine learning models you're working with. Quality control is another crucial aspect. You'll want to familiarize yourself with concepts like Inter-Annotator Agreement, IAA, to ensure consistency across your annotations. Understanding error analysis will help you refine your work and reduce labeling errors. It's all about striving for that precision, as it can make or break your model's performance. And if you're looking to get paid while you learn, consider joining data annotation platforms like Appen, Lionbridge, or Amazon Mechanical Turk. These platforms offer paid annotation tasks that not only provide practical experience, but also expose you to industry standards. It's a win-win. Finally, let's tie it all back to machine learning. Understanding how annotated data influences machine learning models is vital. Concepts like overfitting and underfitting will become your new best friends. The quality of your data directly affects how well your AI models perform, so don't underestimate the importance of what you're doing. So, there you have it. Data annotation may seem like a small cog in the grand machine of data science, but it's a powerful and necessary skill. If you're ready to embark on this journey, dive in, explore, and most importantly, have fun with it.